What up, guys? What up from your voice and Mr. Bennett? Part 2, all right? 2023 paper. Let's go. So if you now see part 1, you need to do so now. All right, so it says item 31 refer to the following diagram. Which of the following cylinder with diameter 6 and height 20? So if the diameter is 6, that means the radius is 3, because the radius is half of the diameter. All right. And in order to find the volume, what we gonna, what them they give you pi? Okay, in terms of that, so we now go get rid of the pi. So let's go. So it's gonna be pi r square. That's how you find area for the circle times the height. Now, as we said, them now get rid of the pi, so it's gonna be pi. The radius is 3, so it's gonna be 3 squared multiplied by 20. Made it now, guys. So 3 3s are 9. 9 times 20. So that's 180 pi. So in terms of pi, it would be C 180. Welcome, guys. This is part 2. Let's go. 2023 paper. All right. Item 32 refer to the following diagram, which shows a circle with center O with a sector and major and minor arcs indicated. So this is the minor arc, major arc. So what else am I saying? They say if the area of the minor sector, which is this, is 103 centimeters square, what is the area for the entire circle? So my thing is, the entire thing is 360 degrees. So if this is only 60, how many of these we can get out of it, right? So we just simply divide by 60, which gives us 6. So the answer is going to be 6 times 103. Because for every 60 degrees, you get an area of 103. So we don't need no radius or no foolishness. We can just mid it and say, all right, we get 6 out of it. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, the manager are accurate, guys. But it will be 6 of it. So 6 3 is 18. 6 times that. So that was 6, 18. So that would be D. If it took a speedboat 9 hours to travel a distance of 1,080 kilometers, what is the average speed? So to get the distance, the average speed is the distance divided by the time taken, which is 9 hours. So 9 into that goes 1 time, that left 1. So it's 120 kilometers per hour. So that would be C. Look up everybody who support Mr. Bennett. Literally, I help me live my dreams, all right? 24 says the length of the sides of a triangle are x centimeters, 22x, and 2x centimeters. If the perimeter is 20, what is the value of x? So we know that perimeter means the total distance around. So we just add all 3 sides, and that must equal to 20. And then you find out what number, when you multiply it by x and add, you get 20. Not r, right? All of these are like terms. So we add them, we get 5x. And if somebody wondering, oh, we get 5, this is 1. And then we divide by 5. So x is equal to 4. So the value of x is 4 to make that equation true. As I said, guys, if you haven't checked out part 1, you need to do so now. 50 guests had 2 glasses of champagne each. Each glass held 150 milliliters. How many liters of champagne were used? So I'm going to multiply 2 times 150 to know what each person basically have. And that would work out to 300 milliliters, right? And then now we're gonna multiply by 50. Since it's 50 guess, and of course 3 times 5. All right, so 500, 500, 53 is 15. But guess what? This is milliliters, right? But we have to convert from milliliters because it asks us for liter. Now it takes 1000 milliliter to make 1 liter. Everyone should know that. So we just divide. So that gives us 15. All right, on to our type of PEP question. A square has the same perimeter as a rectangle with length 15 centimeters and width 11 centimeters. What is the area of this square? So first of all, we get enough information about the rectangle in order to find the perimeter also. Because if that are 15 and that are 11, we can figure out the perimeter because the perimeter is the total distance around an enclosed shape. So we can do 15 and 15, 30. This and this are what? 22. So say I have 30 plus 22. So that gives us 52. So if the perimeter of a square is 52, it means that we have to divide this 52 by 4 because all sides are equal, which would give us 13. So the length of one side of the square is 13. So in order to find the area, we multiply 13 by 13. Yeah, man. But in just step out, you know, miss. Literally, me think I you him see. Yeah. Can you come check me and ask if I'm ready, but me tell him send me a record. Yeah, yeah. All right, so that's 120. On to 30. Why am we reach 37? What teacher I can count, you know? 34. Okay, so actually I should go up to 35. Oh, I did 36, so that's 169. So make me lose it, you know, me I lose it, I swear. All right, so 37 said the circumference of a circle is 154 centimeters. Use pi to be 22 over 7. What's the radius? So in order to get the 154, it have to be 2 pi r. That's how you find the circumference, right? So they say use pi as 22 over 7. So I could do that now. So it's 22 over 7 times r, because we don't know what r is, but we know that it must equal to 154. And again, everybody who are part of my channel must can transpose. This is being divided, so we multiply, and what is being multiplied, we divide. No, straight WhatsApp. So 2 into this, 1, 2 into this goes 2 into this 7. So this gives you 77. So we can use 11 now. So 11 into this 2 times 11 to this 7. So it's 7 times 7, which is 49 over 2. So our final answer would be 24.5. 38 says the distance around a lake is 8 kilometers. On a map, the distance around the lake is represented by 2 centimeters. So if it's 2 centimeters, that means 1 centimeter is going to be 8 kilometers divided by 2. So it's 1 centimeter to 4, right? So that means it's D. So the scale would be 1 to 400. All right, let's move on to 39. It says item 39 and 40 refer to the following table. Show the number of books that 58 students book at a sale. The mode of the number of books bought is, and this can be a bit tricky. All right, so what you're gonna do, this is saying 3 students It's saying that 9 students bought 3 books, 9 students bought 4 books, 13 students bought 5 books. So the mode would be 5. Be careful, guys. Some persons will think it's 13, but it's 5. All right. So the number of books, the one with the highest frequency. So 13 students bought 5 books. All right. The median number of books that the students bought at the sale is. So we're going to rearrange it. Oh, it already arranged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the median is the middle number. What the hell is it? All right, so we have 58. That says 58 students. So 58 divided by 2, that's our la 20 something. So it's gonna be 29. So basically it's gonna be the 29.5 position, as it's supposed to add in. So what we have to do, just add this till we get to 29. So we have 9 students plus 9. This is give us 18. Add on further 13, which gives us 31. All right. So from 18 to 31 is gonna be 5. So the median would be 5. Let me set up the one there a little bit different. 41, item refer to the following pie chart, which shows the popular games played by a group of students. And you know we have the cricket and the football. If 180 students play football, how many students are in the group? Now, football represents 90 degrees or 25%. Oh, we know that each circle is 360 degrees, right? So, divided by 90 is equal to 4. So if 180 play football, we just multiply it by 4, right? Because it's a quarter. 4 8's 32. 4 ones 4, and that's 720. You got yourself now, Gabriel. All right, on to 42. Item 42 refers to the following chart, which shows the amount of fish bought in kilogram by the first 60 customers at a fish market. Fish are selling now, guys. Fish are sell. All right. How many customers bought at least 6 kilograms of fish? So first we identify 6. They say at least. So you can buy 6 or greater. So here we have 11 person purchase that. Then we have 5 persons. So everything greater, right? And then we have 4. This our 7, and this 2. No, these are 2, and this make 3. All right, so the total for this would represent, all right, so 11 plus 5, that's what, 16, 20, so that's 30 persons bought at least 6 kilograms. So at least mean 6 or greater. All right, this one says item 43 over to the following diagram, which shows the cumulative frequency of 20 plants. The interquartile range of the set of measurement is, so that's going to be Q3 minus Q1. So that's going to work out to 5. 10 minus 2.5, which is, so that's C. All right, 44 now. Item 44 refers to the following table, which shows the result of a survey of 100 persons from 2 major ethnic groups, P and R. Respondents were interviewed about the attitude towards mathematics. All right. respondents from the ethnic group P is selected at random, what is the probability that E has a negative attitude towards mathematics? So P are negative, so that's 24 out of 60. And while we were in class, students were saying that, sir, could it be 24 over the entire 100? That's something to think about, you know. That's something to think about, definitely. All right, and I think that option probably is there also. So let me know what you guys think about this one. All right, so we can use 6 into this. No, could use 12. 12 into this 2, 12 into this 5. Let me just see if that option is there. 24 over 100. Since that is a real total. No, but they did say it's selected. P is selected. So yeah, I'm not going to consider this any at all. All right, let's move on to 45. The point where a linear function crosses the horizontal axis, which is the x-axis, is known as that's the x-intercept. Remember, the y-axis is the y-intercept. So the x-axis, almost the x-intercept. Item 46 refers to the following mapping diagram. The relationship that best describes the mapping in the diagram is it one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-one, or many-to-many? So clearly we can see that over here, one is receiving many. So it's one-to-many. So 46 is B. Soon talk to your current. Big up yourself. Oh, hold on. 47, don't listen. If h of x is equal to 3x minus 2 over 5, then h negative 6 is. So all we're going to be doing is to just substitute the value and work out that. Guys, don't make them little functions here. Seems complicated. It's just substitution, all right? So we're just substituting. I feel like the internet and move so. All right, so 3 times 6 is 18 minus 2 over 5, which gives us negative 20 over 4. So our over 5 rather. So our answer is negative 4. All right, let's move on to 48. Item 48 and 49 refer to the following graph of a quadratic function. The maximum point of y equal 4x minus x squared is, now the maximum point would be the highest part on the graph. So clearly we can see that here is the maximum, all right? So we have 2, 4, because we read our x first, right, Gabriel? Read our x first and then our y. So that's D. Oh, Gabriel watched that video when she gets home, you know. The values of x at the point where y equal that intercepts y equals 0 are. So when y is 0, that is actually the x-axis. So the x-axis is y equal 0. And even though it don't require this, the y-axis is the line x equals 0. All right. So on the x-axis, y is always 0. So here we have 0 and 4, that would be our answer. You ready for the test? Just let me know. Just let me know. All right, which of the following equation represent a straight line? All right, so we can eliminate this, we can eliminate this, we can eliminate this. Them they are quadratic, right? So this is C. 10 more to go, guys. 10 more to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Which of the following set is represented by x squared plus 3 where that. So just a substitute. Somebody said, then let's look for the 12 on it, right? I've done that so many times. A line L is parallel to the line 2x minus 3, 5y minus 8 is equal 0. What is the gradient of the line? Now, if two lines are parallel, it means that they have the same gradient. Hi, I can't call you back because I'm recording. I'm at school, but I'm recording. Can I call you back? Of the? Oh, I haven't gotten it yet. I haven't gotten it yet, but I will ask. All right. It's fine. It's fine. All right. Thanks so much. Yeah. All right. All right, guys. So, you know, I think we have to take a little phone call, you know, because we're relevant. All right. So, a line L is parallel. So, as I was saying, guys, if two lines are parallel, it means that they have the same gradient. So, if you figure out the gradient for this, then we're good. All right, so in order, every straight line graph is in the form y equal mx plus c. So make correct mids it now. So we have -5, so we're going to carry over the x. This is going to become -2x. But we still not really amidst the other part, you know. We really amidst the m, which is the gradient, all right? So we have -5y. So in order to get y by itself, we divide by -5. So this is the part that we really amidst. So this negative can see negative, so that would be c 2/5. All right, let's move on to 53. Item 53 refers to the following diagram of a circle. If O is the center of the circle, then Y is equal, which is this. Now we know that angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So how we have to do, just multiply 2 times 50. So that's 100. Circle theorem, eh? That's just one of the theorem right there. Let's move on to 54. By the way, guys, this was requested. I saw this on other person's YouTube. I sent it to students and they say I should still do it. So here I am. All right. So I like the video, because I want something to do it. 54. Others have done it, so I wasn't going to do it again. But all right. 54, in the diagram, PQ and RS are parallel. Which of the following best describe the relationship between X and Y? Now, X is equal to Y, they form as Z angles or an alternate angles. That's a terrorist, you know, sir. I'm sure that she. I tell you that. Item 55 refers to the following diagram. We show a rectangle WXY and the image W1X1Y1, right? That undergoes a composite or a double transformation. So what is a transformation? I want to talk about this a little bit. What sequence of transformation will map rectangle WX, which is this, the original, onto the small one? Now, I would say it's a reflection in the y-axis first. See it? This double is the same distance from the mirror line. So both of them, right? And then it undergoes an enlargement of scale factor half. Oh, I know that. Look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And this side is a half, 1, 2. Sorry for the noise, guys. Sorry for the noise. One of the things that why me I circle the wrong thing? I always do that, you know. An enlargement. A reflection in the y-axis followed by enlargement. Yeah, this is it. All right, guys. Tell you why it couldn't be a translation first. If it was translation, you would literally push it. So here it would be double. Students probably be tempted. If it was a translation, you would slide this 8 cross to the left. So this would actually be double. This is Z and this. Everybody get the picture. By now, everybody must complete the syllabus, so this shouldn't be a problem. All right. All right, 56 says, in the image, in each of the following diagrams, A prime is the image of A. Which of the diagrams shows a reflection in the x-axis? And that would be this one. This is our mirror line, both of them the same distance. All right, let's move on to 50. 57. In the triangle ABC, angle A is X, angle B is 2X. What is the size of angle C? and that's 180. Angles of a triangle add up to 180, right? So if we add these, the third angle must be that. 58, item 58 refer to the following diagram, which shows the angle of depression. Every angle of depression have an angle of elevation. You can come, miss. And then if they want to find the height, it then would be this looking from this angle, which is the opposite. Hypotenuse is opposite to the right angle. So this would be our adjacent. So clearly, we can see that it's tan. So long chatting about that one. 58. Item 59 refer to the following diagram of the right angle triangle ABC. In the right angle triangle above, which trigonometric ratio is equal to 4/8. 4/8. So if you're looking from this one, it will be opposite hypotenuse, which is sin x. And the last one says, under the translation, -2,3, the image of -5,3 is. So we simply just add them. Remember, translation is just how many you go upward. Well, how many you go left or right first, which is the x-axis, and the y-axis, how many you go up or down. So it's that simple, all right? So we just simply add them. -2 plus -5 gives us -7. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And guys, I'm gonna leave my number. By now, everyone should have my number, you know. What I deal with? Should not have to leave my number now, you know, because amount of video I do. Can't tell me first when I watch a channel, you know. Must be joking. Alright, guys. So my name, work good with WhatsApp. Alright, we're going. Alright. So see you guys. This is Unks Benito. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video. So